Hello, 8th grade. Here is the explanation of the exercises of the week 2. We are going to study this week pages 106, 107, 108, and 109. So on page 106, you are going to do the first exercise, complete the text with the words from the box. In this exercise, you are going to fill this text about a play. So here in the beginning, is the stage representation of an action or a story. So you're going to begin with a play is the stage representation of an action or story. A play includes the following elements. The action of the story is broken into major parts called, and the acts are further broken down into, so you have the answer right here, right? And the acts are further broken down into. Okay, you can use the dictionaries that I recommend you. You can use the Google Translator if you need it, okay, to do this exercise. And you're going to complete the text with the words from the box. Now, still on this page, answer the following questions. After you complete it, you're going to answer the questions about a play. So, how many acts are there in the play Jason and the Golden Fleece? You're going to go back to the play that we were reading last week, and you're going to to answer this question. Letter B, how many actors are in the cast? So you're going to see again on the Jason and the Golden Fleece and write an example of stage directions. So you are going to write an example. It's your personal answer, okay? So on page 107, it's the become literate, sorry. And you are going to find one mistake in the following lines and write the verb in the correct form. That's why I post in your playlist some videos about grammar, some reviews of present simple and past simple, right? So it can help you with this exercise. For example, this throne is rightfully mine. I ordered you to leave at once. He's giving an order. If he's giving an order, he can write the verb in the past. You have to write it in the infinitive form, okay, in the present tense. So I order you to leave at once. So you're going to highlight the verb that is mistaken, and you're going to write the correct one here, okay? So you're going to write the correct one here like this, and that's it, just it, okay? In all the sentence there's a verb mistake, and you have to find it and correct it. Now on the next page, page 108, let me change here. You're going to listen to dialogue and underline the things Rose has done and circle the things she's missing. Role play it with a classmate. So what that she's done, you're going to underline, and what she is missing, you are going to circle. So for example, have you made up your mind? Not yet. It's difficult to decide. What have you done so far? Pay attention. I made a list of possible topics, so you're going to underline it. What else? I looked up for internet. And then, what is she missing? For example, here, I see that's another thing I must consider. So something that she didn't consider is something that she's missing. So you're going to circle it. Okay. Let me see, page 100. Oh, and before, there's a second exercise, sorry. Answer the questions in complete sentence. What are the things you consider this is person when choosing a character to write about? They are talking about a mythology character or something like a research for school. So what are the things you consider when you're choosing a character to write about? You're doing a research, you are doing a project, and you have to write about a character. What will be something that you will consider? Which of the Greek characters you have read about would you choose? So now you're going to choose one of the Greek characters. It can be from the text that we read, but it can be another one that you know, no problems. After this exercise on page 110, you're going to write a conversation between two classmates, just like the one that you saw on last page, on page 107. And they are about to work for a project, and you have to decide the character, the Greek mythology character that they are going to talk about. So you're going to write a conversation, a dialogue between them, trying to decide which character they are going to work. And don't forget to mention the steps they should follow, just like they did on the other page. Okay, this one you can send me by message on my platform, but I'm if don't forget to send me the personal answers. The other ones we are always going to correct in the beginning of the next week of these online classes. So you don't have to send me, you just have to correct and get your book organized. So when we go back to regular classes, you have all the information from these weeks. So that's it for today. See you later. Have a nice week of studies.